In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure GoDaddy email on Outlook 2026. By the end, you'll have your GoDaddy email connected to Outlook and syncing smoothly. Before we begin, make sure you know your full email address and the correct password, and have access to your multi-factor authentication method if your account uses it. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. On the top left, go to the File tab to open the account information page. From here, select Add Account. This is where we'll tell Outlook which mailbox to connect to, and it's the quickest way to get a new professional email set up without touching any server settings manually. In the Add Account window, type your full GoDaddy email address exactly as it's spelled, then choose Connect. Outlook will attempt to detect the right settings automatically. For most GoDaddy Microsoft 365 mailboxes, Outlook recognizes the account type and prepares a secure connection without you needing to enter incoming or outgoing server details. Give it a moment while it looks up the configuration. If you see an option asking which kind of account to use, select Work or School Account. This ensures Outlook treats your GoDaddy Microsoft 365 mailbox as a business account rather than a personal one. Choosing the correct option here helps avoid sign-in loops and make sure your mailbox policies and security settings apply correctly. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type it carefully and select Sign In. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check for capital letters and any special characters. If your organization enforces security policies, Outlook may also show a trust prompt or request to stay signed in. It's usually best to allow that on your primary secure device so your mailbox stays connected. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, follow the prompts on screen. Approve the notification in your Authenticator app, confirm the code sent to your device, or complete the verification method your account requires. This step helps protect your mailbox and is normal for business email. Once authentication completes, select Done to finish. Outlook will immediately begin syncing your mailbox. You'll see folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Calendar appear, and new mail will start downloading. The first sync can take a little time, especially if your mailbox is large, so keep Outlook open and connected to the internet. If something doesn't connect on the first try, the most common culprits are an incorrect password, choosing the wrong account type, or a clock that's out of sync on your device. Fix those and repeat the sign in. That's it. Your GoDaddy email is now configured in Outlook 2026 and ready to use.